Having a job or hobbies that require you to sit for long periods of time can make keeping up with a daily exercise routine a struggle. If you're looking for a way to stay active and burn calories while sitting, an under-desk machine could be the answer. We consider quality, features, and value when narrowing down the best choices possible and bring you our top 5 best under-desk ellipticals. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Fully Assembled Magnetic Under-Desk Elliptical. The Sunny Health and Fitness Fully Assembled Magnetic Under-Desk Elliptical is an under-desk elliptical that comes fully assembled and ready to go, so you can begin using it straight away. This easy-to-use machine features belts that are driven by strong magnetic resistance that can be adjusted to 8 levels that give you the workout you need while staying smooth and quiet. The digital monitor on this elliptical will allow you to track calories burned, the time you spend on the elliptical, the speed with which you moved, and even the distance that you have traveled, so you can easily track your progress. Number 4. Stamina InMotion E1000 Compact Strider. The Stamina InMotion E1000 Compact Strider is a quiet, portable, and efficient under-desk elliptical that is ideal for quiet settings. With this elliptical, you are given adjustable tension options, so you can work up to greater intensities the more you need it. It even features multiple movement options. You can use it both sitting down or standing up, letting you adjust the workout depending on the exercises you want to do and how much time you have to exercise. The machine also only requires a floor space of 24.5 inches to 17 inches, so it will comfortably fit most offices or home gyms. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Easy Stride Motorized Under-Desk Elliptical. With the Sunny Health and Fitness Easy Stride Motorized Under-Desk Elliptical, you can easily get in a workout on the job that suits your level. This motorized option features a digital monitor, automatic shutoff, and low, middle, or high speed levels. No matter which speed you use, you can trust that you'll do it safely and comfortably due to the large foot pedals, complete with anti-slip grooves to keep your feet stably in place. It also comes with an automatic floor mat to double down on the security and stability of the machine. Number 2. DeskCycle Ellipse Under-Desk Elliptical Machine. With the DeskCycle Ellipse Under-Desk Elliptical Machine, you can stay fit in the office without disturbing your coworkers thanks to the ultra-quiet, smooth magnetic resistance belts. The machine is manufactured with excellent precision in order to ensure you can calculate RPM, calories you've burned, time spent on the elliptical, and much more. You can choose to pedal forward or backward depending on your preferences, and each step you take will be on ultra-long wide pedals with grips to keep your feet from slipping around for safety. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Cubii Pro Seated Under-Desk Elliptical Machine. A quality machine that doesn't skimp features and tag. Unlike some sit and stand ellipticals that give you the choice between the two, the Cubii Pro is wholly optimized for use while sitting, in order to ensure the most efficient and comfortable workout at your desk. This quiet home elliptical connects to an app using Bluetooth that will help you track metrics like calories burned, distance walked, how many steps you've taken, and more, so you can keep track of and achieve your goals with greater ease. An excellent option overall. Shopping for an under-desk elliptical can be frustrating, which is why we are only interested in the best options available for your needs. Any of these machines would be a great way to stay fit while also staying seated. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these items. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion.